you ready? Yeah! Oh my god.
I won't complain about that.
He loves it, this man. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oi, 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 look who it is, it's bloody Tower. Hey, come on, join the vlog, join the vlog. It's going to be a good trip. Yes. It's going to be amazing, I can't wait. Come on bro, what are you saying dude? Let's get it, we're going Isle of Wight. I knew it. I heard you before I saw you. I knew it. Skaters.
We're all doing gymnastics and shit.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
I know what Maddie's doing. She's just on the floor.
Yeah, I'm gonna do some gymnastics now. Yeah, my turn.
Well, I've got a challenge for you.
Oh, he's on the challenge. Oh, and he's got the chair. So yeah, this is the whole video. If you were expecting skating, well, forget about it. We're now gymnastics.
Wait. Jump through the hole.
I can't jump that high.
Well, like dive it.
Well, that's right, Rob will do it. I'll do it.
Easy, easy. And there's Maddie going through there.
Can you do it?
Yeah, I can.
Hold the camera, and I will show you guys my elegance. I've just got to take all the shit out of it. Well, if you want. I mean, I'm not doing anything too special. I might even do like a little safety roll at the end, maybe.
Nice.
Ready? Oh, here we go. We're doing some skating in the Isle of Wight, finally. It only took us like 4 hours, but we're here. We made it. Because these long heads, I blame Kaylee, it's all her fault.
It's always my fault.
Yep. Can I get away? I kind of got it, man. Like. Oh my god, another crash.
We're down.
We're down, everyone's going down. This is okay, guys. Thanks for watching. That's been the Grand Skate Tour of the Isle of Wight. Look at this boy, fucking hell. Came from the bottom, now he's here. The bottom was his ass. Oh, we're running it, we're running it. Fucking hell.
Nice tight passage, isn't it?
Isn't it?
What?
Yeah, I heard you were opening your back doors earlier.
Always open the back doors. Always. It's how you catch people. And like, no, you got you.
He loves a bit of pegging, this guy, loves it.
Hey, if the money's right.
Yeah, if the money's right and the length's right, all you females out there want a bit of pegging, Tom's your guy.
That's the start of £500 for 10 minutes. Mediocre at best.
Mediocre. You're not really selling yourself, mate. At least he's honest though. He's
Set
honest.
the bar low, it's easy to achieve.
Hey, all you women with high expectations, get out of it. was your experience so far?
With the skating room. Magnificent.
How was your experience so far?
Amazing.
Yeah.
I won't complain about the weather.
Look at the hole, yeah? Oh, you guys are boring, boring. Look at these guys, fucking so boring. Hey, it's only because you guys got drunk last night, you bloody pissheads. Look at you. Says you. Says me. Wait, not joking, not joking. Biggest. Oh, mate, I was the biggest pisshead, literally. I was fucked. 3 AM, let's go. But I'm still out here, I've got the energy.
Yeah, and then you were out at like 7 o'clock this morning. Like,
Yeah, oh,
just chilling
mate.
in the sun.
Oh, mate, I was dying. I was like eating my breakfast, yeah, and I was just like, it's getting worse.
You know you're recording that gesture.
Like that. He loves it, he loves it, this man. More sexual talks with Tom, let's have it.
Hey, so the trick is to disappoint them.
Oh yeah, is it?
That's how you make them want more.
Disappoint them.
Like, you never know. Like, 30 seconds is too much.
Way too much. Basically what's happening now is that lot going over there, which I feel like is stupid, so I'm going to hit this hill instead. The reason I think it's stupid is because look how many cars are like clogged up. You're not skating that, trust me. So guys, we're going to go downhill, we're going to have some fun, and then we're going to meet up with them later. I hope they do it. Oh, this is dangerous as well. What am I saying? What? Yeah, this is pretty dangerous as well, I'm not going to lie. If we can get to that pavement, it'll be alright. So what happened on that hill then? What happened, Maddie?
Sorry, who are you?
What happened on that? Oh yeah, don't play dumb with me. What happened on that hill?
What happened?
What happened?
I don't
thought
know.
you guys were going that way.
No, we came back.
Oh right, oh funny that, innit?
You know, we can't trust you.
You can't trust me by myself. Oh bless you.
So that's why
Oh,
all of
I got
us
a real
came back
friend
just
there, I
for you.
really do. I got a real friendship. I'm glad you care. Sweet, yeah, come here, come here. Got a good friend here.
Next year.
Yeah, it turns out everyone decided to come this way in the end. Right choice, definitely the right choice. Like, up there was getting so dangerous. Like, it was like a traffic jam, basically. Alright guys, we ready? Yeah! Hey! That's better energy! Hey!
Never judge a book by the cover. Discover the soul brother with the mechadon. Working brunette to blonde. How many Edison con when I respond in full black? With us having the Vernon villains back to back. Amazing grace when I face the great paper chase. For real, it's long overdue, so I don't wanna talk to you. I stroked the hell out of Mademoiselle who insisted every night she get her back twisted in the unlisted. I'm living through my son, so daddy see it this way. I want him in the NFL, his brother in the NBA. No doubt I'm with a piece down in Mecca, all crazy. To the lady, none of this is make-believe. I breathe some of the most powerful lyrics of our century. Battle physically, conquer mentally, essentially. You're dealing with a Mecca affair, so anywhere you wanna go, you know I'll take you there. Control now, so in the future see me calling the shots. For larger pots of cash, the mini bikes and open mics. I'm blowing up spots for knots in the millennium years. And now I drop it on my peers, brings tears and fears. Another question manifesting my own league. My soldiers wear Versace or the army fatigue. That brings a world of intrigue and glamour to my arsenal of dons. Pimps the players and layers of Decepticons. My whole mind state gravitates a weapon, making people in the business get a misconception. It ain't hard to the core, it ain't sex on the beach. It's just another plateau the brothers have to reach. Emphatically non-cypher, then we were broken, misguided. Try to gas me like Hitler once we get divided. No question, you're dealing with a Mecca affair. So anywhere you wanna go, I'll take you there.
Been amazing, guys. Cheers. You are all fucking amazing people. I've really enjoyed skating with you. Where's Maddie? Big up Maddie right here, because she organised like the whole thing and like Portsmouth skate group. Shout out to you guys. And yeah, this has been the Isle of Wight. And if you guys want to come, if you're a skater, come down. But yeah, give yourselves a round of applause. Literally, like you're fucking amazing. Anyway guys, so that was the Isle of Wight. We're back in Portsmouth now. That was such an epic skate event. Special thank you to Portsmouth Skating Group for setting that skate event up. It was literally a dream. It was amazing, so much fun, and I hope that you guys did enjoy watching this video. And of course, if you did enjoy watching this video, leave a like rating down below. It greatly helps out the channel. But guys, we've got more good news. The shop is finally open. If you guys want to go and buy t-shirts, if you guys want to go and support me, the shop's finally open. We've got the SideZwipe limited edition Beach Skate Jam 22 t-shirts that are now currently available. I've already sold out of half my stock, and once they're gone, they are gone. I'm not going to be remaking them. I'm not going to be reselling them. I don't think. They're literally limited edition for this year, for the beach skate events that I've been setting up this year. So literally this year has been incredible so far, and it's only half the year. I've set up my own skate events in my hometown, and obviously guys, the clothing is finally out. If you guys are wondering about like the black t-shirts, the black hoodies, the white t-shirts and the white hoodies, they will be coming out soon, but the t-shirts are going to be for pre-order only, and I'll talk about that more in the future. But anyway guys, thank you so much for your support over the year, and thank you to everyone that's already purchased one of these t-shirts. You guys are absolute legends, and yeah, thank you for just supporting me and yeah, making my dreams come true, as it were. Like, it's amazing that I'm able to create these videos for you guys to watch, and it's nice to see that you guys enjoy them. But yeah, and of course, if you're new around here and you haven't seen my face before and you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, and of course, if you've got any thoughts or any questions, comment down below, and I'd love to hear from you guys. And of course guys, keep rolling, and I'll catch you in the next one.